Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So I'm really excited to unbox this one. So this is a Nissan 5 pack by Hot Wheels, and this is a 2023 edition. So okay, before opening this one, let's see what are the cars inside. So there's Datsun Fair Lady, Nissan Silvia, Nissan Skyline GTR, and Nissan Skyline HD 2000 GTX. Okay, these are the cars which I'm waiting to get my hands on. Let's open it. Okay, let's go from the top. So here it is. So this is the Datsun 620. The casting looks really nice. Okay, the rims looks really nice. Yellow rolls really nice. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this is a Nissan Skyline GTR R32. So I'm pretty sure this one's like favorite for a lot of people. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, so the first shot itself, I love this color. Okay, this is a Skyline HD 2000 GTX. Okay, this looks really awesome. The paint job is really nice. And this one has actually have some weight to it. The rims looks really nice. Okay, this one rides really smooth. Okay, this one, these two actually has that jittery kind of thing, but this one is really smooth. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, here it is, the Nissan Silvia S13. Wow, this looks really nice. Honestly, Hot Wheels nailed this 5 pack. Okay, this one also rides a bit smooth. I like that. Okay, last but not least, my personal favorite. This is a Nissan Fair Lady. Fair Lady Z. Okay. I'm really happy I got this one because I am looking to get my hands on this one for years. But Hot Wheels was banned for more than like 3.5 years in India, and finally we got this particular one back. I'm really loving this one. The paint job is really nice. It's actually a glittery orange. I don't know if you guys able to see the actual color in this video. Okay, let's see how this one rolls. Okay, it has some that jittery kind of thing, but it's fine. We are not going to play with this. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.